Last bucket.
11.
Bucket 11. Oh yay, some red potatoes. So I know now red potatoes and Yukon Gold potatoes do better than rusted, in my opinion. Right, hello everyone. We are about to harvest all the potatoes that I have, and in this garden plot right here is my Yukon Gold potatoes inside of this kiddie pool here. So as you can see, the foliage is dying back, and we're gonna see what we have in here.
Okay.
Make sure ain't no spider on them. So let's see what we got here.
Oh, they can.
Okay, well, got some nice sized potatoes there.
Oh. There's still some in the...
Alright, so this is the whole harvest of Yukon Gold potatoes from the kiddie pool. Now I have all of these buckets to harvest out of, so that's what we're about to do next. Yep, let's see what we got. Oh well, so a poor harvest.
8.
Out of one bucket. Alright, we're gonna put this dirt back in here and see what else we have. Alright, this is the second bucket. I don't know if these are red or russet potatoes, but that's the surprise that we may run up on, and we'll just have to see. So this is the second bucket, and it looked like that these have gotten a little insect damage, but I'm gonna let these dry for a couple of days, and and then that way I'll be able to like really see what the damage is on these russets. Okay, bucket number 3, and I believe this is a russet. What was that on there?
Slug.
That's out of the second bucket, and in each bucket there were 2 seed potatoes planted. And this is what I gotten from 2 seed potatoes. Bucket number 4.
Hey.
Okay, some more russets.
Over here.
It's still a good harvest of potatoes.
That's 15 or 16.
Alright, so we're going to start on the 5th bucket. No, we on the 4th.
Yeah, we're on the 5th. We're on the 5th, actually.
Yeah, we finna start on the 5th bucket. Some of them might be. And we got that pile over there left too. Yep, so this is 3 types of potatoes. Gotta get that little pile over there too behind the bucket. Okay, not bad. Feel like a little harvest, look like the skin come off with that one, so but I can't touch it until it dry. Alright, so this bucket.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one now. Oh, this feels way too wet.
Yeah. That's what come out of that bucket. What are these things? It's like they look like ants, but are they really ants? Cause that's what's inside of each bucket.
7th bucket.
Yep. Bucket number 7. Alright, so that's it out of that bucket. So what I've done is I grouped each type of potato together so you guys can see how many in all. Alright, so this is the harvest of red potatoes. I don't know how many pounds, but and I believe maybe I had about maybe 3 or 4 buckets, all of this group, but that's the red potatoes. These are the Yukon Gold, and these were harvested out of my kiddie pool. So there's those, and these are the russet potatoes. So this was the most potatoes that I planted was the russet. So what's my opinion? Is it worth it to continue to grow potatoes in buckets? I would say yes or no. Yes, if you have plenty of buckets to plant the amount of potatoes that you want. But if you want bigger yields and bigger potatoes, then of course you're gonna need a larger space. In my opinion, they don't grow as big, or they don't yield as many inside of buckets. I would say from 2 seed potatoes per bucket, I gotten between 6 and 10 potatoes, and you may get a few nice sized, medium sized ones, and a couple of baby ones. But maybe I'm hoping maybe next year, if I'm able to find space for to make me another raised bed, maybe in my backyard, then maybe I'll be able to plant only potatoes in my raised bed garden, and I believe I will have a larger yield of potatoes that way. But I'm still thankful for the potatoes that I have, and these were planted, I believe, towards the end of February. So it's been 3 months, and I think potatoes, depending on the type, can take up to 90 to maybe 120 days or something like that. So you guys, this is my potato harvest. Making beef stew, and I am using the potatoes right from the garden, and also my onions. Alright, so these are a couple of the onions that I harvested from my garden. This is the stew meat that I pre-cooked in the oven. So I'm using the red potatoes for the beef stew, and now just putting them in the strainer here so that I can get them rinsed off and peeled.